friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Sammie from Steal a Brainrot Roblox. So let's get started with the top of the hat. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line over and through on the right. We're going to flatten this out on both sides. So we're going to draw in a straight line that comes up towards the top. And then again from here, we're just going to continue to curve this over and down on the right hand side. Now let's close off the top. Stepping in, we're going to draw in a straight line on the left. We'll do the same as we come over on the right hand side, ending that at the same height. Now on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line over and across towards the right. And then moving in towards the middle, we're going to curve this line over and through towards the side, creating the strip there. Let's draw on the head. We're going to step in, kind of lining this up at the same height as the width as our hat. And we're going to bring this line down towards the bottom. We're going to round out the corner, so we're going to curve this line in, flattening that out, bringing that in towards the middle. And we're going to do the same thing on the right. Just blending that together. Let's step out now. We're going to curve this line out, bringing that up on the side. We're going to do the same on the right. And then we're going to close off the bottom of the hat from that corner, curving this in towards the side. And now let's draw in our eyes. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a circle for the left eye. And then we're just going to color that in black. Now let's draw in the right eye, but we're going to draw in the spider on top. So we're going to start by drawing in a small oval. Now from here, we're going to draw in a circle behind for the eye. Again, coloring that in black. And now from the spider, we're going to draw in the legs. So we're going to curve this line out on the top. We're going to step over again, curving this out on both sides. We're going to come down and do that 2 more times. So we're drawing 8 legs in total. And then again, coming down, curving that out. Now that we've drawn in our eye, let's draw in our mouth. So starting underneath, we're going to curve this line up on a slight diagonal towards the left. We're going to bring this line from the corner, bringing this down, over, and then back up on the right. And then for the tongue, we're going to arch this line up and then down on the right. And then we're just going to color in this open portion behind the tongue black. Now let's come down and draw on the body. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to do the same on the right. Now from here on the side, we're going to bring this line down on a slight diagonal. We're going to do the same on the right, ending that at the same height. From here, we're going to bring that diagonal line in towards the middle. Again, let's move down. We're going to draw in a straight line that comes down on the bottom, ending that again at the same height. And then we're going to flatten this out by drawing in a straight line that comes directly across. Let's draw the necklace in the middle. So we're going to draw in a nice big circle right in the center. As we move up on the right-hand side now, we're just going to draw in some more circles, making them slightly smaller. As we come up on a diagonal towards the top shoulder on the right. And then we're going to do the same as we come up on the left. So again, just drawing in smaller circles as we come around on the top. Now let's move underneath. We're going to draw in a small square, just rounding out the corners. And then directly underneath, we're going to curve this line down, bringing this over and then back up on the right. Now on the top, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming out from both sides. Stepping down in the middle, we're going to curve this line over and out. Now let's close off the top leg. So we're going to curve this line in. On the bottom, again, we're going to leave a small gap, curving this line down. And then from that point on the top, we're just going to curve this line over and through towards the center. And then underneath from that corner, just curving this line in towards the side. Now let's draw in the arm. So we're going to draw in a small diagonal line that comes out on both sides. Let's round out the corner. So we're going to bring this line over and down on a diagonal. We're going to do the same on the left. Let's move in. We're going to draw in another diagonal line, ending that at the same height as the line on the outside. And then we're going to close this off with a diagonal line from left to right. Let's draw in our hand underneath. So for the inside portion, we're going to curve this line over and across. Let's bring this line up towards the top. Now from here, we're going to curve this line over and across. And then from the top, we're going to curve this line back down, ending that at the same height as our point on the inside. Now from here, we're going to curve this all the way around and in towards our arm. Let's move up and draw on the swords behind. So we're going to step up, leaving a gap, drawing a diagonal line coming across. We're going to step up, leaving another gap, replicating that, just drawing that line at the same size. And then now we're going to close these off with a straight line on the top and bottom, connecting that together. Let's step underneath. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. Stepping underneath, we're going to replicate that again. Let's continue to bring these up behind. So we're going to bring this out on a diagonal. And then again, we're going to come underneath, bringing this diagonal line over and across, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to close this off with a small straight line right on the top. Now let's draw in our legs. So right from the center here, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming out. We're going to do the same from the center coming down on the right. Let's step over. On the right hand side, we're going to draw this diagonal line coming across. And then we're going to do the same on the left, bringing that over and down. Now on the bottom, let's close this off with a curved line from left to right. And then we're going to do the same underneath. Now let's close off the feet. So we're going to start from the corner, curving this around, and then back down on the right. And then we're going to do the same on the left. Coming in behind now on the top, let's draw a diagonal line coming across towards the left. We're going to do the same as we move out on the right. And then from that point on the side, let's draw our diagonal line coming in towards our leg. And that is it. That's how you draw Sammie from Steal a Brainrot Roblox. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.